Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this series, I'll show you my journey of cleaning and restoring this machine and putting it to work. Here is part 3, cleaning silent power Cutterblock. In part 2, I removed my jointer infeed table, pulled the eccentric shafts out, and cleaned both jointer tables. If you haven't watched it, please follow the link in the description or information card. As promised at the end of part 2, you are watching me making meaningless effort and wiping all the carbide inserts and marking the current cutting edge. My plan was, after cleaning the Cutterblock, I can put all the inserts back in the same direction, therefore using the same cutting edges. The flaw of this plan is, when I clean the inserts later in this video, my Sharpie marks are all gone. There, I have all the inserts out. At this point, I'm still planning to restore all the screws. I'm using a 1200 grade diamond plate to lap the flat side of the countersink screws. It doesn't take long for me to realize that these screws are beyond saving. Some are pitted so badly that I have to remove the Torx cavity to get rid of the pitting. Good thing I have a set of thread gauges, and they are M5 by 0.8, 12mm, class 12.9 with 9.3mm diameter head, T20 drive countersink screws. McMaster to the rescue. But then the story would be too perfect. It turned out that I cannot find the same screws other than from Felder, and they charged $23.70 for 10. I do not believe carbide inserts can rust, but I soaked them in evaporous anyways. Then I scrub them with a brass bristle brush, degrease with purple power, rinse with clean water, and blow dry with compressed air. put all the screws back into the cutter block, and you guessed it, more angle grinder action. I switch between a wire wheel and a stripping disc depending on the shape of the surface I need to clean. A brief wipe down of all the rust sprinkled by the angle grinder, and that wraps up part 3, cleaning silent power Cutterblock. In part 4, I'll be taking more things apart and more things apart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share if you want to see more.